Is TD Bank sitting on a mountain of cash, or is its true value something more nuanced? We see their green logo everywhere, from bustling city centers to quiet suburban corners. They sponsor major events, offer a dizzying array of financial products, and seem like a permanent fixture in the financial landscape. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what is TD Bank actually worth? It's not as simple as walking into a branch and asking for their bank balance. The value of a publicly traded company like Toronto-Dominion Bank, or TD as most of us know it, is a dynamic figure, constantly shifting based on a multitude of factors. One of the most common metrics used to gauge a company's worth is its market capitalization. Think of it like this: if TD Bank were a giant fruit stand, its market cap would be the total value of all the individual shares of fruit it has available multiplied by the price each fruit is currently selling for. As of today, April 17, 2025, TD Bank's market capitalization hovers around the ballpark of $150 to $160 billion US dollars. Keep in mind, this number fluctuates throughout the trading day as investors buy and sell their shares on the stock market. But market cap is just one piece of the puzzle. It reflects what the market believes the company is worth at a specific moment. To get a more comprehensive understanding, we need to delve a little deeper into the bank's financials. Consider their total assets. This includes everything TD Bank owns, from the cash in its vaults and the loans it has issued, to its real estate holdings and investments. As one of the largest banks in North America, TD boasts substantial assets, typically exceeding $1.5 trillion US dollars. This massive figure highlights the sheer scale of their operations and the vast amount of resources they manage. However, simply looking at assets doesn't tell the whole story. We also need to consider their liabilities, what the bank owes to others, such as deposits from customers, debts, and other obligations. The difference between a company's assets and its liabilities gives us its equity, also known as shareholders' equity or net worth. This represents the value of the company belonging to its shareholders. TD Bank's equity is a significant figure, often in the range of $100 to $120 billion US dollars. Beyond these balance sheet figures, analysts also look at the bank's profitability. How much money is TD Bank actually making? Metrics like net income, revenue growth, and return on equity provide insights into the bank's financial health and its ability to generate future earnings. A consistently profitable bank is generally considered more valuable. Furthermore, external factors play a crucial role in determining TD Bank's worth. The overall economic climate, interest rates set by central banks, regulatory changes in the financial industry, and even geopolitical events can all influence investor sentiment and, consequently, the bank's stock price and market capitalization. So, while we can pinpoint a current market capitalization figure, the true worth of TD Bank is a complex interplay of its assets, liabilities, profitability, and the ever-evolving market conditions. It's a dynamic valuation that reflects the market's collective assessment of the bank's present strength and future potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.